How to use the Standard Chartered Bank application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, make sure you have downloaded the app in your device. For this, head over to Play Store or App Store. Type in Standard Chartered Bank app and you will see applications for different regions such as Nepal, India, Singapore and Hong Kong. So select the country that you reside in and tap on the install button. This should automatically start the download and install. Once that is done, you can tap on open button in order to launch the app. First of all, you will land to its home page from where you can see different services provided by tapping on apply for the product. This way, you can see saving account options, personal loans and such other. If you want to get logged in, go back to the home page again and you will see a login button. Tap on it and then you'll have to provide your username and the password to get logged in. Once you provide your correct credentials, you are good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.